Hi, welcome to Fusion Kitchen. Today I'm making a very popular Christmas sweet guava cheese. Let's start. First we'll take about 500 grams of guavas, that is half kg of guavas. They should be ripe guavas. We're going to cut them and we're going to scoop out the seeds. This is very important. I find scooping out the seeds before you boil them works very well. Now we're going to boil them till they're tender. This will take several minutes. They become mushy. In a blender, we are going to blend these guavas till it becomes a puree. Now using a sieve, we will sieve the puree so that all the remaining seeds are removed. Now we're going to take a big pan and we're going to heat it up over medium heat. We'll add the guava puree and we'll also add sugar. Now the quantity of guava puree should be in the same ratio as the quantity of sugar. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. So if we have got 1.5 cups of guava puree, I have used 1.5 cups of sugar. You keep stirring till all the granulated sugar melts. It's important to keep on stirring. This recipe calls for a lot of stirring. Now when it comes to a boil, you see bubbles. We are going to add about half teaspoon of lemon juice. We will also add about 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of red food coloring. Keep stirring. Now the mixture has to leave the sides of the pan. This will take you at least 20 minutes or even longer under medium heat till the mixture becomes a kind of a mass and it leaves the sides of the pan. To check it, you can take a glass of cold water, drop some of the puree into it. If it forms a soft ball, then you know that the mixture is ready. But basically it has to become very thick and completely leave the sides of the pan. If you fail to do this, it will not set well. Take a pan, about a 9-inch pan, line it with parchment paper and we are going to put the guava cheese puree into it. You can also use a flat plate and grease it, but I have preferred using parchment paper in a pan. Refrigerate for about 1 to 2 hours. Now we're going to cut it into either squares or diagonals. I have cut it into diagonals. If the guava cheese has been cooked properly, it will most likely set within 1-2 hours under refrigeration. Serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.